Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 CLA 45 AMG. This one is a Cirrus White. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with an impressive 355 horsepower and 330 pounds of torque. 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. These ones are the AMG split 5-spoke. Turbo AMG badging on the side. Black MB text interior package with the black MB text on the dash, ambient lighting, CLA 45 AMG badging, the tailgate, clean set of AMG floor mats, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, turn wheel for infotainment center. This CLA 45 has 79,293 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 45 AMG, visit us at feldmanimports.com.